Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 26th day of January 2026. And we just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room by me, myself, and others. So here we go. We look for our normal indicator, which we look for every day. So look at the top of this red candle right here. We see a red triangle pointing down. That's our strong candle indicator saying take this trade short. So we're going to wait for a bit of a retrace. Took our order on the body of the candle, and then we're going to do what the indicator says, and that's take it to the short side. You may say, well, Fred, look at this one over here. This is a very strong candle, and it didn't go anywhere. Yeah, there's Fibonacci reasons. So you just can't haphazardly put them on, but in this case, we don't need to worry about them. That one's gone very well. This one's gone very well. We could have taken any of these strong candles and done it. So here's how it went down in the room today. We look over here at the PVI. We expect the next candle to be around between 50 and 60 ticks in length. We'll pair that with our ATM, and we'll go for 16s, 31s, and 60s, de-risking the trade after 16s. So that's the setup, and this is how it went down in the room today. I guess that's enough. We'll see. If we get picked up, we just put our stop where it belongs, and maybe it's not enough. Perhaps sometimes people go underneath the candle. That might not have been enough of a retrace, but we'll see. Put your stop where it belongs. Wait for your first target to get hit. Since we're in the trade already and all of our targets are set, we can speed it up. And notice what happens when your first target gets hit. Hasn't gotten hit yet, so we'll just hang on until it does, and then we're good. They'll say it didn't retrace far enough first, but no big deal. We just put your stop where it belongs and just hang on. It'll come back very, very nicely. So after the first target gets hit, we'll de-risk the trade. We'll bring our stop all the way down to here, just about. So minus 18. These are 16 tick first targets. We'll go to minus 14 with our stop. That gives the market 30 ticks to bounce around before it goes to our other targets. Now, if it comes back and hits my stop now as a break-even trade, I can decide whether I want to put another order on. But until it does that, we don't need to do anything. So we'll just sit here and wait. This candle's almost on. First two targets are out. And then we'll just wait and see if we can get a blast down to the bottom. This is probably where we should be looking for a target, but this is fine. All right, so the first 5-minute target's done. There's no reason for us to get out of the trade at this point. Just leave it alone. Another retrace, not unusual. This is where the market failed last time. So I'm not surprised to see it make a move back up again. It's just an additional failure to finish up the trade. We'll speed it up just a little. Not a very Not a lot of volume today. It's kind of haphazard. We have FOMC on Wednesday, so it's a little bit slow. So you just have to be more patient. All right, so it looks like we're going to take two candles. That's 10 minutes we've been in this trade. Boom. So it took a little over 10 minutes for this trade to pan out, and it was worth 605 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 605 US dollars in 10 minutes, come and join us at Samurai Day Trading. That's samuraidaytrading.com. And we look forward to seeing you next time. So God bless you, and we'll see you then.